If your walls feel empty, generic prints aren't the answer. True luxury is about the balance of space, texture, and perfect geometry. Welcome in this video we will explore minimalist geometric design ideas. Notice how splitting a canvas vertically anchors a room. It adds instant height to low ceilings. An offset circle breaks symmetry just enough to make a viewer stop and look closer. Nesting shapes creates a sense of architectural stability. It feels incredibly grounding in a living space. Diagonal blocks bring movement into a quiet room without overwhelming the senses with bright colors. When you overlap sharp and soft angles, you get a beautiful tension that feels entirely modern. Leaving raw brushstrokes visible reminds us of the artist's hand. It feels personal and intentional. A simple grid structure brings immediate order and a sense of calm to a busy entryway. Interlocking shapes represent connection. Muted tones keep that connection feeling subtle and sophisticated. Varying the width of your horizontal bands keeps a simple striped concept from looking like wallpaper. Abstract landscapes don't need trees or rivers. Simple geometry can evoke the feeling of mountains perfectly. High contrast doesn't have to be loud. A sharp diagonal split creates drama using pure simplicity. A single thin line of accent color can completely change the weight of a massive shape. Think of your artwork like architecture. Stacking blocks vertically gives a sense of quiet strength. In design, what you leave out is just as important as what you put in. Concentric shapes draw the eye inward, creating a natural focal point for the entire room. Black and white never goes out of style, especially when you introduce heavy tactile textures. Giving a dark shape 2/3 of the canvas creates a bold, confident statement piece. When two sharp points meet precisely, it creates an elegant, almost electric focal point. Monochromatic circles feel hypnotic. They soften the hard, straight lines found in modern furniture. An off-center intersection breaks the rules of symmetry in the most satisfying way possible. Layering deep charcoal shades adds massive depth to a wall, making the room feel larger. Leaving a sliver of raw canvas exposed shows a deep appreciation for the raw materials. Nesting a light shape inside a dark one creates an illusion of looking through a window. Offsetting your elements slightly gives a static painting a wonderful sense of rhythm and pace. Using multiple shades of white creates a clean look that still feels incredibly warm. Contrast isn't just about color, it's about putting smooth finishes right next to rough ones. Translucent layers create beautiful midtones where they overlap, giving the piece a luminous quality. Balancing a heavy square with a perfect circle creates a beautiful dialogue between two classic shapes. A smooth gradient from light to dark creates a serene, almost ambient mood on the wall. A single, ultra-fine line can carry immense visual weight when surrounded by pure negative space. Soft pastels bring a gentle energy into a bedroom, keeping the vibe relaxed and restful. An elongated rectangle paired with a circle creates a beautiful sense of proportion and elegance. Muted earth tones work together seamlessly because they mimic the natural colors found outdoors. Geometric steps evoke a sense of progress and structure, making them perfect for a home office. Vertical balance pulls the eye upward, making your ceilings feel taller than they actually are. A solitary triangle represents clarity and focus. A soft color wash keeps it looking gentle. Combining curves with straight lines ensures your geometric art never feels cold or sterile. When two gentle colors overlap, they form an entirely new shade that bridges the composition. A clean grid pattern brings an instant sense of organization and peace to any space. Thin, intersecting lines create a delicate web that looks incredibly sophisticated from a distance. Concentric arches feel timeless. They remind us of ancient architecture stripped down to pure form. Cutting a shape out of a larger form creates a beautiful play on positive and negative space. Asymmetrical layouts feel incredibly dynamic because they force the eye to move around the canvas. Chevron patterns bring a subtle sense of direction and energy without disrupting a quiet room. Dividing a canvas into clean quadrants allows you to play with 4 colors without chaos. A slender arch nested inside a dark frame feels like a secret doorway to a calmer space. Cutting circles in half and swapping the colors is a brilliant way to create visual rhythm. A sharp line cutting through a soft oval is the ultimate expression of balance and contrast. 3 perfectly harmonized blocks of color can anchor an entire room's palette effortlessly. A large centered circle acts like a visual anchor, instantly calming a chaotic interior design. Embrace the empty space. Giving art room to breathe makes the entire room feel more luxurious. An off-center circle celebrates imperfection. It feels deeply human and organic. Lines that stop abruptly leave something to the imagination, engaging the viewer's mind. Tucking detail into a single corner makes the negative space feel incredibly intentional and powerful. A single horizontal band brings a sense of horizon and immense peace into a room. Tiny details at the very bottom of a canvas create an unexpected, delightful surprise. When 2 large shapes barely touch, it creates a beautiful moment of visual suspense. A heavy shape balanced on a thin line shows how contrast can create incredible stability. Occupying just one corner of a canvas completely redefines how we view the entire wall. Pairing a solid shape with a simple outline explores the concept of form versus emptiness. Varying line thickness is a subtle way to create depth without using any color at all. Resting a large shape on the bottom frame anchors the piece directly to the earth. Turning a classic square onto its point instantly transforms it into something far more dynamic. A faded shape on raw linen feels like a beautiful, distant memory fading into the background. The simple intersection of 2 lines creates a timeless focal point that never goes out of style. Using plaster paste allows the light in your room to cast actual shadows across the artwork. Sandy textures bring a tactile, elemental feel indoors, connecting your home to the earth. Heavy texture completely transforms how color looks, making simple creams feel incredibly rich. A touch of genuine metallic leaf catches the changing light throughout the day beautifully. Inlaying real wood grain introduces an authentic, organic warmth that paint simply cannot replicate. A tiny metallic accent strip acts like jewelry for your wall, adding a sophisticated glimmer. Changing the direction of your texture lines creates contrast using a single color. Mixing smooth and rough textures ensures a neutral palette never looks boring or flat. A crinkled paper texture adds a beautiful, organic fragility to a bold geometric shape. Juxtaposing rich wood grain against flat paint bridges the gap between furniture and art. Mounting a dimensional disc to a flat canvas creates a beautiful play of real shadows. A crisp metallic line elevates dark, moody colors, bringing a sudden flash of elegance. Layering torn paper edges creates soft, organic shadows that make the geometry feel gentle. Rough clay finishes bring an artisanal, handcrafted energy into a modern, streamlined home. Placing a perfectly smooth shape over a rough granite texture creates an unforgettable visual pairing. Elevating your interior doesn't require complex art, it just requires the right balance. Subscribe for more minimalist design inspiration.